Hello everyone. Let's learn how to auto format your data which you are doing manually. Let's suppose you have a data which you want to format and you have so many ledgers and you have so many raw data on different Excel sheet and you are doing that manually. Look, we want to convert that data into this where we want to change the format of date. We want to add commas. We want to auto adjust the column and rows. And we also don't want the company name, date posted and posted by information. And you have to do that same in every ledger. You can do that just by one click of a button. Look, by just one click of a button, the ledger has been formatted. Now let's learn how we can make auto formatting sheet in Excel. Now this is the data which we want to format. We will create a new sheet where we will create the macros button. First, we have to enable macros in our sheet. For that, we will go in option. We will go in trust center. We will again select trust center. We will enable all the macros. Press OK. And now we are ready to go. From the developer tab, first we will add button. We will record a macros. Now we will format the ledger. We will first delete these rows. We will select all data. We will press Alt HOA. Then we will press Alt HOI to auto format the column and rows. Now we will select all dates. Press Ctrl 1. We will select date format. Now we will select all the numbers. We want to enter commas. We will click here. Now we will select the headers. We will bold it. We will color this headers. And now we are good to go. We will stop recording. Our macros has been created. Now I'm going to add the raw ledger in it again. As you can see, I have again added the raw ledger. We will go on a second sheet. We'll press the button and look, our ledger has been formatted. Now, when you will save this sheet with Control S, a pop-up will appear. Click on Go Back, browse where you want to save this sheet, change it to Excel Macros Enable Workbook, Final Sheet, and save it. Now your workbook has been saved. Remember, whenever you will add your ledger, you have to remember that your ledger should be in the first row and first column cell so that Excel will remember to format only the defined cell. Now we will again check. We will go on a second sheet. We will click button and as you can see, our ledger has been formatted. Thank you. Follow for more.